Hello, children. Welcome to today's lesson. Today, we are going to learn about a story. A story is something that tells us about people, animals, or events. Stories are fun and help us learn new things. A story is a set of events that we read or listen to. Stories can be real or imaginary. Some stories teach us lessons. Some stories entertain us. Stories can come from many places. We can hear stories from parents, teachers, books, movies, cartoons. Characters are the people or animals in a story. Characters can be a boy, a girl, animals, kings or queens. Heroes' characters make stories interesting. The setting is where the story takes place. A story can happen in a village, a forest, a school, a city, a castle. The setting helps us imagine the story. Every story has a beginning. The beginning introduces the characters and setting. It tells us where and when the story starts. The middle of the story is where things happen. Characters may face problems or go on adventures. This part is usually the most exciting. The end of a story shows how everything finishes. Problems are solved. Characters are happy. Stories often end with a lesson. There are different types of stories. Some stories are fairy tales, animal stories, adventure stories, moral stories. Fairy tales are magical stories. They often have princes, princesses, and magical creatures. Fairy tales are fun and full of imagination. Animal stories have animals as characters. Animals can talk, think, and act like people in stories. These stories often teach us lessons. Many stories teach us good lessons. They teach us to be kind, tell the truth, help others, obey rules. These lessons help us become better people. We can also tell our own stories. We can use our imagination. We can talk about things that happened or things we imagine. Everyone can be a storyteller. Reading stories is fun. Books help us learn new words and ideas. Reading makes us smarter and more creative. Listening to stories is important. We should listen carefully and quietly. This helps us understand the story better. Stories are important because they teach us lessons, make us happy, improve our imagination, help us learn language.
Stories are fun to read, helping us grow and succeed. Stories I've learned happily. Stories has learned how see. Stories has learned happily. Stories are fun to read, helping us grow and succeed. Reading is okay. Stories I've learned happily.
Today, we learned about stories. Stories help us imagine, learn, and have fun. We can read them, listen to them, or tell them. Thank you for learning with us today. See you in the next lesson.